transfer games and data from Xbox One to Xbox Series X. Hi everybody, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you transfer game and data from Xbox One to Xbox Series X. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now there are a couple of different methods you could try it out. Now this is one of the easiest and a simplest solution. You could find it in order to transfer games and data. Now, the simplest method for moving data to a new Xbox is the console's network transfer functions. So, the network transfer lets user move game between any Xbox One or Xbox Series and Xbox Series S console on the same home network. So, first thing, you need to connect both console, then press Xbox button on the Xbox One controller. After which, under Profile and System, navigate to Settings. And from the settings, you want to go to System, and here you want to simply go to Backup and Transfer. As you do it so, then you want to make sure to click on Allow All Network Transfer. Next, repeat the same steps on the Xbox Series X. After that, select the Xbox One from a list of connected devices. Choose a game and apps to transfer over then. Click Copy Selected. Depending on the number of games and app, it may take a while before the transfer finishes. Then you want to launch the game or app on the receiving console. That will pause the transfer. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.